Hello, welcome to the last session of the week on apostrophes. So we have done loads and loads of work on our apostrophes, and hopefully as you've been doing your reading this week, you've been spotting them because I say they're going to come up in loads and loads of the books that you're reading. So keep looking out for those apostrophes and figuring out what words they're replacing or what two words have merged together to make that contraction. Okay, so the last ones we're going to do today come from this one. So we have I will, okay, and hopefully because we've done this all week, you're starting to think already, oh, I wonder what that might be in its contracted form. And if you're not, start thinking, oh, I wonder what that might be in its contracted form. So have a look at I will. Which letters do you think are going to get taken away as we make the contraction? I'm going to show you. So here we go, I will. We cross out the W and the I, and we get this. We get I'll. Okay, so you might say, I'll do that, don't worry. And that's how you spell I'll, because it is short for I will. And you can see we've got the apostrophe there where the W and the I have been taken away. Okay, so we've got I'll. And just like we can say I will, we can also say he will and she will. Okay, so it's the same rule for he will and she will. So he will be back later. He will be back later. He'll be back later. Okay, and you can see there I've popped the apostrophe in where the W and the I of the will have been taken away. So we now have he'll, and you can see that apostrophe again is really important because if it wasn't there it would say hell, okay, using our phonics. So we don't want to say hell, we want to say he'll, he will, and with our apostrophe there so we know what we're talking about. And exactly the same for she'll, we would just have an S here to say she will. Okay, so we can have she'll. So now we have got, let me get my I, there we go. We have got I'll, and we've got he'll, and we have also got we will. So we will see you soon, okay, and we definitely will see you soon, but we're going to take out that W and the I of will, and we end up with will. So it sounds a bit like will anyway, doesn't it? It sounds kind of the same, but we've got will see you soon. So we will becomes will, and again, if I didn't have that apostrophe, it would say well, and we don't want to say well because that's not what we're going to mean. So if we write will, that means we will. So just to recap, let's do the words that we've learned today. We have got I'll, and we have got he'll and she'll, and we have got will. Okay, so exactly what I've written here. Look, I will see you soon. I'll see you soon. So you can see there I've got I will, and here's the same sentence, but instead of writing I will, I've written I'll. Okay, so it's your turn now to write a sentence with I will, and then change your I will to I'll, and then maybe you could do one with we will and will as well. So have a go at writing those sentences, and that's it for the week, isn't it? So I will see you back here on Monday for some more Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home. Keep looking out for those apostrophes. Bye.